Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic links in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you want to add clickable links directly within your records, making navigation faster and more intuitive for your team. First, you need to go to the Setup gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface and click on Setup. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize almost every aspect of your Salesforce environment. Once you're in Setup, look for the Object Manager tab, which you'll find beside the Home tab at the top of the page. Click on it to access all the standard and custom objects in your Salesforce org. This is where you'll define which object you want to add the dynamic link to. Now click on the object name you want to work with. For example, if you're creating a link for accounts, you'd select account from the list. This opens up all the customization options specific to that object. In the left sidebar, click on Fields and Relationships. This section shows you all the existing fields for your chosen object and allows you to create new ones. Here's where you'll build your dynamic link field. Click the New button at the top of the field list to start creating a new field. You'll be presented with a list of field types to choose from. Select the Formula Field Type Radio button and click Next. Formula fields are perfect for creating dynamic links because they can reference other field values and generate clickable URLs automatically. Now, type a field label. For example, you could call it Record Link. Salesforce will automatically generate a field name based on your label. Then, select Text as the formula return type and click Next. This ensures your link will display as clickable text rather than a number or date. Click into the Formula Editor text box. This is where you'll define exactly what your dynamic link does and how it behaves. Enter this formula, each Y per link open parenthesis / quotation mark ampersand ID space comma space, quotation mark open record, quotation mark comma space quotation mark underscore self quotation mark, close parenthesis. This formula creates a hyperlink using the record's unique ID, labels it as open record, and ensures it opens in the same browser tab. Click Check Syntax to make sure your formula is written correctly. Salesforce will scan it for errors and let you know if anything needs fixing. If there are no errors, you're good to proceed. Click Next and you'll be taken to the field level security page. Here, choose the visibility settings you need based on which user profiles should be able to see this field. Then click Next again. If your record pages use dynamic forms, you'll have the option to add the field to those layouts, so click Next once more. Finally, select the page layouts where this field should appear. You can choose multiple layouts if you want the link to show up across different views. Once you've made your selections, click Save. Your dynamic link field is now created and will appear on the layouts you selected. And that's it. You've successfully created a dynamic link in Salesforce that makes navigating between records quick and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.